Hello friends, I recently ordered this Hermes Lite 2 software defined radio transceiver. So I ordered it through Maker Fabs, who is the manufacturer. And this is an open source hardware project, a software defined radio for amateur radio bands on HF frequencies. And I ordered it through UPS ground shipping, if you can see here, and it came through in about 8 days, no issues. So let's check out what we have inside. Okay, so we are ready. Let us see. Okay, it seems nicely packed, wrapped in multiple sheets. Okay. This is the enclosure, and this is the actual main board of the transceiver. Okay, let's put this away. So this is all that we have here today in the box. So this is the main board of the transceiver. This is the filter board, as you can see on the picture, and this is the enclosure. So let's get to it. First, let's open the main board and see what's inside. It's really nicely packed. So this is the filter board which goes with it, I guess here, and yeah, this allows it to join it together. And this is the enclosure. When everything is built, everything goes inside this box. It's black in color, as you can see. This is also very well packed. Comes with the screws, a heat spreader, as they call it, and these are, I believe, the front and the back plates for this enclosure when everything goes together. Okay, this is it. This costed me about $300 or $330 with the shipping included. I opted for the UPS ground shipping, or whatever their lowest cost shipping is. I did not opt for the UPS or FedEx. Instead, I chose the USPS, which is the national company here. So yeah, that is it. I'm going to put this all together and make probably another video when I have all these parts soldered and softwares installed, and I will review it once it is all complete. Thank you for watching.